think I'm going to keep one tire over here. What do you think of that?
Yeah. Just stay over
That was squeaky.
That hurt my ears.
Two options?
Yeah.
Yeah. 100% agree.
Yeah, definitely.
That's more like a wash down there, huh?
Yeah.
We have our tent set up on the deck here of the summit station, and it is a beautiful evening. It was 100 and some down in the valley on the drive in, and much cooler, probably 80 up here. How you doing, Bodie?
Great.
Bodie's reading his book. Gonna have some dinner maybe soon. Here we are looking off into Death Valley on this side. And this is a wide angle camera, so you might not be able to see too much detail, but the summit, the other stations are down here. Where can I get them? This is actually something to walk on. You know, you got to be kind of a little bit brave. They squeak. So there's another station down there. But man, this old station here, this old summit station is something else. So the cars would come up here with the salt in them. I think this is where they would transfer them in the middle section here to the tram that goes down the other side. Just a cool operation, and again, I really like the old stuff. So this is where the workers lived, and this has also been from this information board. It's had some work done back in the early 2000s to try to rehab it, keep it in arrested decay. A little dark in here, but there is a summit log we've signed, or cabin log, and some artifacts on all the shelves in here. You can walk through the different rooms. Would have been something living up here. Pretty big cabin. We're gonna go out. I'm not supposed to camp in here unless absolutely necessary, but it has this neat porch. Considered camping on that porch. All right, Bodie, what's for dinner?
Pot roast.
Campbell's pot roast. It was what was in the pantry. Rocky descent, I would say.
We could be going up.
I think we've done something similar. Oh my goodness. The car slides on some of this stuff. I'll get a little video as we leave the wash here to Swansea. That cooler makes noise, huh?
Yep.
Everything's shook up in there.
Hopefully those snacky clusters